Welcome. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. Today I'm talking with Blake Thayer, Project Engineer with STOBER Drives. Hi Blake, it's good to see you. Thanks for joining me today.
Hi Teresa, thank you for having me.
So let's just start by telling me about your company and where you're located and what you guys do.
STOBER is a mechatronic solution provider with over 85 years of experience in a variety of industries. Our products include planetary gearheads to helical bevel gearboxes, to servo motors, to safety brakes, and to rack and pinion solutions. Our North American headquarters is located in Maysville, Kentucky, where we have manufacturing, production, and sales support. We also have over 150 employees.
Wow. And tell me about STOBER's planetary gearing.
STOBER is a pioneer in the planetary gearing industry, being one of the first planetary gearbox manufacturers on the market. We've continued to enhance the product over the years, and we are now in our third generation of planetary gear reducers. We just keep making the product better every time.
So let's talk about that new Generation 3 planetary series. Why is this so exciting?
So I actually have one of the planetary Generation 3 gearboxes with me right now. You can see it there. One of the benefits of the new generation planetary gear unit is its compact design. It is much shorter than the previous generation, helping our customers save space on their designs. Gen 3 also has vastly improved its machine performance. We've increased our torque up to 67%, stiffness up to 50%, and input speeds up to 45%. Plus, every unit is built to your specification and has the same great lead time, 1 day out of our facility in Maysville, Kentucky.
Wow. And it's my understanding that they can be paired with rack and pinion, geared motor, or safety brake, correct?
That's correct, Teresa. STOBER's offers much more than just a gearbox. You can pair our Gen 3 planetary with a geared motor, which gives you the most compact solution on the market. Not only does this simplify your design, but it is also a more cost-effective solution. And like you said, you can also add a rack and pinion or a safety brake to our Generation 3. STOBER also has special options for environments. ATEX certification is available for explosive environments, and food duty options are available for harsh washdowns.
Wow. And I know what are some other options that are available? For example, I think there's some reduced backlash. Talk about some other options that are available.
That's correct. We have reduced backlash gearboxes as well. They can get down to 1 arc minute, and that actually has more torque as well in our gearboxes.
So how does the Gen 3 work with the Rockwell Automation solutions?
STOBER is a technology partner of Rockwell. Our products are available in Motion Analyzer, and any gearbox can be mated to a Rockwell motor with one of our toleranced motor adapters. If you pair a Gen 3 planetary with a STOBER geared motor, you can easily connect to Rockwell drives with our plug-and-play compatibility.
So what kind of tools are available to help with selection?
Selection is very simple with our online tools. The STOBER configurator allows for quick configuration of all our products. You can also download a drawing or data sheet and request a quote with a few simple clicks. Motion Analyzer is also available for more advanced sizings. And of course, our application team is ready to assist you with any questions you need. You can call or live chat with us.
Well, that's very useful. And how else can people find information about you or contact you?
You can visit www.stober.com to find out more info.
That's great, Blake. Thank you. And be sure to check out what STOBER Drives can do for you and how they might be able to help you. I'm Teresa Hauk with the Journal magazine. We'll talk next time.